Hey guys, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday at Homegrown Home Sewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. We're going to start off with some patriotic from Deb Strain. This is America the Beautiful, and it is beautiful. We decided to get some of the floral. I love that she brought some floral into her patriotic line this year. That's just really pretty. So that is in our holiday room. It's no longer just our Christmas room, it's seasonal. We're just gonna swing by the sewing machines because we don't have one out, but we got the new Juki Platinum 2020 machine. 2 of the 6 are already gone. So if you're interested in it, come on in. You can play on the other Jukis because they're super similar. We don't have a floor model out of it, but it's amazing. Mama Bear also has one, and she's a big fan. So then we have some Brook by Yoder precuts. We have fat quarter bundles. We have charms, these little ditties, and I think we have one jelly roll left right here, one token jelly roll that hasn't sold yet. So snatch it up, or someone else will. Patterns. Okay, so we got some of these fun patterns from Purple Pineapple Studio. They're all $3 patterns, and they're mostly, not all, but mostly like fat quarter friendly. And they're just, I really like them. We got lots of different varieties from them, and they're nice. They're just one little card. This shows you what you can do with a panel. How great is that? You know, you just need a panel. Okay, magic pins. So magic pins aren't new to us, but we ordered some more in because we had like gobs and gobs and gobs, and you all bought them all. So we decided to get some more in, some patchwork, the extra long, and there are different sizes, but magic pins are heat resistant, so you can iron over them, and they have little grippers. Okay, then we have Notting Hill. This is Riley Blake by Amy Smart. Got some fun little ginghams in there and little prints. Really thought that that was sweet. Of course, it reminds me of the Notting Hill movie, which is fantastic. Then we have by Stacy Hsu. This is the On The Go kit. You get everything, you get the pattern, everything for the quilt top and the binding, and the kit measures at 61 by 72. I'll show that here, 61 by 72. Super cute if you have a baby on the way or just born and you're a super fast sewer. That'd be perfect. Then we have the Brook kit by Yoder. Stunning, love it. It's the pattern, the fabric for the quilt top, and the binding. This measures at 70 by 82. I'll show you that, 70 by 82 right there. And so that would be beautiful. Also a little note, I just saw the new line she has coming out that we're gonna order with our rep on Tuesday. Get excited, it's really, really good. Okay, and then let's see. We have the Fab Stash Show on Sunday. This Sunday, it's live March 7th at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We'll have lots of fun goodies for you, including possibly another round of the backgrounds that we do for the $9 a yard. So if you're a fan of that, you should watch. It's a really good one. I mean, I think they're all really good, but this one's like a really, really, really good one. So I think that's all. Enjoy the sunshine if it's sunshiny where you are, because it is where we are, even though it's still cold. And happy quilting.